Welcome to Compare to Win. The best travel cosmetic bag set is probably one of the most essential items for any traveler, whether you're jet-setting across the globe or just heading out for a weekend getaway. Keeping your makeup, skincare, and toiletries organized and accessible can make all the difference in your travel experience, ensuring you look and feel your best no matter where your adventures take you. Number 5. DEPOZA Travel Bottles Kit. Introducing the DEPOZA Travel Bottles Kit, your ultimate solution for packing toiletries. This comprehensive set is designed for convenience and efficiency on the go. Travel with peace of mind thanks to its TSA-approved design and superior leak-proof construction. Keep your luggage and clothes safe from spills and messes. This kit includes a variety of bottles, jars, and sprayers, allowing you to bring all your favorite beauty products and cosmetics. Customize your travel essentials with ease. The wide mouth design makes filling and cleaning a breeze, even for thicker liquids. Use every last drop with our innovative no-drip valve. All accessories are neatly packed in a handy bag, saving space and making it easy to carry. It's perfect for travel, vacations, plane trips, and camping adventures. This complete set includes everything you need for your personal care items. Enjoy a clutter-free and organized toiletry bag wherever you go. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive solution for all your liquid and cream needs. Its leak-proof design ensures no spills in your luggage. If you're looking for a complete kit with various container types for different toiletries, this is the one for you. What people say. The bag is very well made and durable, perfect for travel. It has multiple compartments that help keep everything organized. The design is sleek and modern, and it's surprisingly spacious for its size. Number 4. APREUTY Clear Makeup Bag Set. Introducing the APREUTY Clear Makeup Bag Set, your perfect travel companion. Designed for convenience, these bags make packing and security checks a breeze. Never worry about airport security again. This set is TSA approved, allowing you to breeze through checkpoints with your essentials organized. See exactly what you need, when you need it. The clear PVC material ensures effortless organization and quick access to your cosmetics. Crafted from durable PVC with secure zippers and comfortable handles, these bags are built to last and easy to carry wherever you go. This 6-piece set offers versatile storage for all your makeup and toiletries. Perfect for vacations, business trips, or everyday organization. Available in a sleek black finish, these makeup bags combine functionality with a touch of style for the modern traveler. What we like. These bags are designed for easy airport security checks. The clear material allows you to quickly identify your items. If you prioritize quick and hassle-free airport security, these clear bags are an excellent choice for organizing your carry-on liquids. What people say. The bag is very well made and durable. It has multiple compartments that help keep things organized. The size is perfect for travel, not too big or too small. Number 3. BAGSMART Clear Toiletry Bag. This travel toiletry bag is designed to be the perfect carry-on size, strictly following the TSA 311 liquids rule. Easily pass through security screening at the airport, saving you time and reducing stress. Crafted from thick, transparent PVC with reinforced seams, this clear makeup bag is both durable and easy to clean. The reinforced seams help prevent leaks, keeping your belongings safe. With a large top opening, accessing your items is a breeze. This 2-pack offers versatile storage for travel bottles, cosmetics, toiletries, and more. The travel pouches feature a sturdy zipper that glides smoothly for easy opening and closing. If you notice any smell, simply wash and air it out. Weighing less than a pound and TSA compliant, these makeup pouches are ideal for travel and fit perfectly into your carry-on luggage. They make a great gift for travelers. What we like. Designed to meet TSA's 311 liquids rule, these bags ensure smooth passage through airport security. The waterproof material offers protection against leaks. If you travel frequently by plane and want to save time at security, these quart-sized bags are ideal. What people say. The bag is very spacious and can hold a lot of items. It has multiple compartments that help keep things organized. The material is durable and easy to clean. Number 2. HOTOR Hanging Toiletry Bag. Introducing the HOTOR hanging toiletry bag, designed for both men and women. Keep all your travel accessories neatly organized and easily accessible. This versatile bag features a large main compartment, perfect for all your essentials. Its smart design ensures everything has its place. Don't worry about spills or leaks. The waterproof material protects your belongings and makes cleaning up a breeze. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a long vacation, this is your ideal travel companion. It's designed to be compact yet hold everything you need. Available in a sleek black finish, this medium-sized toiletry bag is both stylish and built to last. It's the perfect blend of form and function. What we like. This bag features a convenient hanging design for easy access in any bathroom. Its large compartment can hold a significant amount of toiletries. If you prefer to keep your items organized and accessible in hotel bathrooms or shared spaces, this hanging toiletry bag is perfect. What people say. The bag is very durable and well made, with plenty of compartments to keep everything organized. It's the perfect size for travel, fitting easily into my carry-on luggage without taking up too much space. The waterproof material is a great feature, protecting my toiletries from spills and leaks. Number 1. Prite Makeup Bag, Travel Toiletry Organizer. Tired of rummaging through your makeup? This bag offers smart organization with multiple compartments and pockets. Everything stays visible and easily accessible, saving you time. Spills happen, but cleanup is a breeze with its water-resistant exterior. The transparent divider keeps your brushes separate and clean, preventing messes from spreading. Your delicate items are safe and sound. Its padded fabric and durable structure provide premium protection against bumps and drops, even when it's fully packed. Look good and feel good while on the go. This bag boasts a sleek, modern design and a comfortable soft grip handle, available in chic colors to match your style. It's the perfect companion for any journey or your daily routine. Use it as a travel toiletry bag, a home organizer, or a thoughtful gift for any beauty enthusiast. Choose the perfect fit for your needs. It's available in both medium and large sizes, ensuring you have enough space for all your essentials without being bulky. What we like. With multiple compartments and pockets, this bag keeps your cosmetics neatly organized. The water-resistant vegan leather is easy to clean. If you value stylish organization and protection for your makeup and skincare, especially for delicate items, this bag is a great option. What people say. The bag is very well made and durable, with plenty of compartments to keep everything organized. I love the different sizes included in the set, perfect for different types of travel. The material is waterproof, which is a huge plus for protecting my cosmetics. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.